Good morning. Welcome to your Tuesday, November 14th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Yesterday across the region was actually a little bit below normal yesterday, about 10 degrees below normal, as we only got up to a high of 48 degrees. Our normal daytime high for this time of year is in the upper 50s, around 58 degrees. See the rest of the region still remain rather cool as well. Norfolk the warmest at 55 degrees. And the rest of the region seeing temperatures in the upper 40s to the lower 50s. Overnight last night, a chilly night with temperatures dropping down into the lower 30s in Baltimore and Dover, with the coolest temperature of 32 degrees. Here at Wallops we were a seasonable 40 degrees. Did have some rainfall yesterday morning. Norfolk picking up the most precipitation at 39 hundredths, and here at Wallops 23 hundredths of an inch as of yesterday morning. Currently across the region we do have plenty of cirrus cloud cover streaming across the region. Mostly cloudy skies, the cloudy conditions. Here at Wallops, 44 degrees as of 9 a.m. under mostly cloudy skies. Just taking a quick look in terms of where we stand for the month of November. As you can see, we did start off rather unseasonably warm for this time of year, and then temperatures really taking a dramatic drop off. Temperatures at the beginning of the month were averaging about 6 to 8 degrees above normal on the monthly departure, but as you can see, those unseasonably cool conditions during the middle portions of the month have really dropped the temperature departures down to about 1.42 degrees above normal, and we are expecting a little bit more seasonal conditions over the next couple days before another stronger cold front moves through the area this weekend, ushering in another very cold air mass, it looks like. So these temperature departures look like they're going to be taking even more of a hit as we go throughout the month. So as we look at the 12Z upper air sounding from this morning, we have a northeasterly component to our winds at the 1,000-foot level with 22 knots sustained, and then winds dropping off a bit down into the lower teens as we get up above the 3,000-foot level. As we move up to the 25,000-foot level, we have our wind max out of the west at 42 knots. Our freezing level this morning was at 6,200 feet. Our surface analysis from this morning showing high pressure located over the Ohio Valley and ridging northeastward into the portions of New York and up into southeastern Canada, and also into the northern mid-Atlantic region as well. And this high pressure system will be controlling our weather pattern over the next couple days, providing us with some seasonable to around seasonable conditions for this time of year under partly sunny skies, as we'll have quite a bit of cirrus cloud cover streaming across the region over the next couple days. And then we'll have a weak cold front that'll be dropping through the area Wednesday night into Thursday, followed by high pressure building back into the region, and then a stronger cold front dropping through the area as we head into this weekend. See, currently right now we do have temperatures ranging in the mid to upper 40s with a north to northeasterly wind at about 11 knots over the Wallops area. Those winds are expected to remain at a north-northeasterly direction today, around 9 to 14 knots sustained throughout the day today, and expecting temperatures to rise into the lower 50s, so slightly below normal again, with the normal daytime high for this time of year in the upper 50s. For our Tuesday PM planner, again, high pressure remaining in control over the region throughout the day today and into the overnight hours. We'll start to see a little bit of a decrease in our cirrus cloud cover this evening and into the early overnight hours before we start to see some low-level stratus, develop over the region overnight tonight, possibly seeing ceilings develop at around 2,000 feet, which should keep our temperatures from really bottoming out and keeping them in the upper 30s for our overnight lows. So heading into tomorrow, that high pressure system will begin to push a little bit more offshore ahead of a cold front that will be approaching the area and dropping through Wednesday night into Thursday. Again, this looks like mainly going to be a dry frontal passage, and not expecting really any rainfall from it. Just a slight chance of maybe an isolated shower, but that's only about a 10% chance right now, as it looks to be quite a moisture-starved system as it moves through the area. Behind this cold front, high pressure will be building back into the region. Our pressure gradient will tighten over the area, leading to some breezy north to northwesterly winds. And with that downsloping flow, it should help temperatures remain rather mild for this time of year, as we're expecting highs around the 60-degree mark for us on Thursday. So as we look at the next 24 hours in terms of our hazards, expecting green conditions across the board, as not expecting really any major weather hazards over the next 24 hours. Winds will be out of a northeasterly direction at about 9 to 14 knots. Temperatures in the lower 50s, maxing out around 53 degrees today. Wind should subside later this evening. Northeasterly wind at about 5 to 10 knots. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s and should remain in the upper 30s thanks to that low-level stratus that will be developing over the area. Again, ceilings potentially developing around 2,000 feet after midnight tonight. Our low temperature is expected to be around 39 degrees. For the next couple days, expecting partly sunny conditions and partly sunny skies and milder conditions on Wednesday with a high of 55 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower near dawn with that cold front dropping through the area. We'll have a low of 46 degrees. And then on Thursday, mostly cloudy, becoming mostly sunny. It will be breezy and warmer with a high of 61 degrees. For the next 7 days, the high pressure system remaining in control over the area behind the cold front on Thursday and into Friday. That colder air mass will actually be pushed into the region behind the front as the high pressure system sets more over the region. We'll have temperatures dropping down into the lower 50s on Friday. And then this weekend becomes a little bit of a question mark in terms of the timing of a cold front that'll be moving through the area. Right now, I'm projecting it to move through Saturday evening into through Sunday morning, expecting a chance for some rainfall during the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday morning. Should see temperatures rise ahead of that cold front up into the mid-60s on Saturday. We'll have a high of 64 degrees. Could potentially be even warmer than that if the cold front holds up a bit more in terms of get a little bit more sunshine as well on Saturday. But right now going for a high of 64 degrees. Sunday, behind that cold front, temperatures will drop off into the lower to mid-50s, 53 degrees, and then temperatures dropping even further on Monday, getting up to a high of 44 degrees. But again, this is all contingent on how quickly this cold front does move through the area and how much of the cold air is actually able to move into the region. Ensembles show quite a bit of cold air mass moving over the region, while some of the operational models are tending to keep it a little bit warmer. But we'll have to keep an eye on this one as we move throughout the week and get a better idea of the timing and the impacts as we head into tomorrow and through the end of the work week. Let it conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back again with you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Have a great day.